Hey guys, welcome back to another Rainbow Playmaker video. I am so excited to teach you guys how to make this amazing cloud slime. I use clear glue and it turns out super sizzly, super drizzly, and I just know you're gonna love it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Enter my giveaways that I'm doing on every video right now. All you have to do is like my video, be subscribed to my channel, and go comment on the video I have linked in the description. And in that video's comment section, you need to comment Rainbow Playmaker says hi. And that's all you need to do. And as long as 20 of you do that, I will pick one person to win free slime from my slime shop. The more people that do it, I might possibly pick more winners. Now let's get started. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's slime time, it's slime time, oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, so the first thing you want to do is add half a cup of clear glue to your bowl. Then you want to add the same amount of water and 1 pump of foam soap. Mix that all up. Now you want to add your activator slowly. I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. Once the slime has come together, you're ready to add your expanding snow. I added 1 tablespoon of dry expanding snow to the slime, and now I'm just working it in. When you first add the snow to the slime, it will be tough, it will be rubbery, it will feel like it's a fail, but you need to just keep squeezing it and pushing the snow in so that it blends and mixes with the slime, and then you will see that it gets stretchy like this. So don't give up. Cloud slime takes a lot of work and a lot of patience. Now I'm adding another half teaspoon of snow, and I will be adding another half teaspoon of snow. So in total for this amount of slime, I added 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of the expanding snow. Depending on the final texture you want, you might end up adding a little more or a little less snow. But just be careful and slowly add a little at a time. If you add too much, your slime will just kind of fall apart and the snow will drizzle all over your floor. At this time, I like to do 1 pump of lotion on my hands and just kind of mix it into the slime. It's not necessary, but I feel like it just kind of finalizes the cloud slime and makes it super nice and stretchy and fluffy. So that's something you might want to do. Now I'm adding my coloring. This is Baker's Pink, and I'm mixing that all in. You guys all seem to love when I scent my slimes, so I am adding a glazed donut scent to this slime. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it has brought you closer to becoming a cloud slime making master. Comment down below and let me know if you like the clear glue version versus the white glue version that I did yesterday. Make sure to check me out on all other forms of social media, and if you try out any of my recipes, hashtag Rainbow Playmaker showed me the way. At Rainbow Playmaker on Instagram, make sure you tag me. I would love to see all of your creations. I'll see you next time. Bye!